USA North America, QSL.
Okay, Papa Whiskey 014. This is my complex Corsa is 34. 011, okay, 011, 011. Sierra, Uniform Sierra Oscar, QSL, Sierra Uniform Sierra. Sierra para tonight, please. 2 Papa Whiskey 014.
QSL 34 Romeo Charlie 011, 34 Romeo Charlie 011. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014. The numbers are 2 Alpha Whiskey 014. Operator name is Ken. Kilo Echo November. Ken, QSL.
Mr. Ken. 2 Alpha Whiskey 014. 100% copy. 55 your signal report in the north of the Tenerife in the Canary Islands. Sierra Uniform Sierra.
QSL, your signal report is 5x5. You are 5x5 in the state of Tennessee. We located in the state of Tennessee. That's Tango, Echo, November, November, Echo, Sierra, Sierra, Echo, Echo. State of Tennessee, USA, North America, 5x5 at the moment. QSL?
Okay, Mr. Ken, thank you very much for the mighty report, 55. 100% your location and the Tennessee. 100% your location. It's in the My Island, Tenerife Island, Tenerife.
QSL, very good signal, very good making contact with the Canary Islands. It is a pleasure making contact to the Canary Islands. Very good signal here. Propagation has been off and on today, but there has been some good conditions there. Operator Ken, 2 Alpha Whiskey 014. Back to you.
Alpha Whiskey 014. 55 is your signal report, okay? This is my working condition. This is my working condition. Foxtrot Tango 970. This is a 150. My answer is vertical antenna. And again, yes, this is the Mike Johnson 100. Okay, Mr.
QSL, very good. 3 Romeo Charlie 011. Very good. Operating conditions on this end is a President Jackson radio with an Antron 99, approximately about 25 feet in the air there. QSL, back to you. QSL, very good. Well, it's a pleasure making contact with you. I do enjoy talking to the Canary Islands. I have a few stations I have made contact down in, I might have made contact with you before. I'm not sure. I'd have to check my logbook. But it is a pleasure talking with you. I do want to send all my numbers to you, and good luck on your DX. I know there's probably some other stations here in the United States that wants to get back to you. You're making a really good signal here, and I want to say good luck on on your DX and have a good weekend this weekend coming up. It's been a pleasure on this end. 3-4 Romeo Charlie 011. We do thank you so much. All the best of wishes from my house to yours. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, Operator Ken, State of Tennessee, USA, North America. We thank you. We'll be QSY on your final.
The 5-1, thank you very much for the nice QSL. Okay, and 73 Taiwan for you.
QSL 100%. Take care. Have a good weekend. 100%. Bye-bye now.
Bye-bye, Ken.